Hello people. Today I am here to teach you how to make cauliflower fufu local. So my name is Edith. Hope you are eating healthy, living healthy, and being healthy. So a lot of people requested for cauliflower fufu. This cauliflower fufu is low in carb. So you can make different type of fufu. Cauliflower fufu, cabbage fufu, spinach fufu, carrot fufu, eggplant fufu. Right. Then you chop it, okay? And we are going to blend it, guys. So we're gonna blend it. So I'm done blending. So I'm just taking the water off the cauliflower. Take all the water out, guys. So stir this, put it away. The psyllium husk. So I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon. Basically have to bind it and enable you to make a lump from it that you can swallow with your soup. So I put it in now, so you keep stirring it for 7 minutes. Okay? This is the end product of the cauliflower fufu. See then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy. Bye for now.